Hello everyone, this is Sharita and I'm watching Sharita's English Corner. And as you know, this is the day 3 of my 30 days English challenges. And I am here to practice with you. And today I will share my daily routine. But before that, I just want to show you my surrounding. So let me flip the camera. You can see the weather is foggy today. Usually the sun rises between 7 and 8 a.m. but today it hasn't risen yet. So you can understand the fog is going to stay with us today. So this is my surrounding. I hope you will like it because I really like greenery because I am a nature lover. So let's start my practice with you. So okay, I'm going to share my routine and I wish you will do the same because we are here to practice and become fluent speaker together. So during the winter, I usually wake up between 7 and 8. Then I start my day with the gratitude, and after that I head to the washroom. I brush my teeth and take a bath. Right after that, I perform my morning worship and move to the kitchen. And in kitchen, I prepare breakfast for my children. After preparing breakfast, I help them to get ready for school. And once they are off at school, I I go back to the kitchen again and prepare the rest of the breakfast for my family, and after serving them I have my own breakfast around 10 a.m. and after that I do practice with my co-learner around half an hour because I want to become a fluent speaker in this year. So I don't leave any stone unturned in order to become fluent speaker. It's a idiom. लीव नो स्टोन अनटर्न मतलब होता है कि आप कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ते. सो मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ इंग्लिश सीखने में. एंड देन आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग आई स्टार्ट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग माई हाउस. इन बिटवीन I do like I talk to my family member by using headphones, and around 10:30 I just get ready again to pick up my children, and when I come back I start helping my children to freshen up and have their lunch, and after that I help them to complete their homework. This is my morning to afternoon routine, and after that I take a moment to rest, and then in the evening time I again go to the kitchen and prepare some snacks for my family, and I help my children to have their snacks because they are really young now. And then after I go to the park where I let my children play around half an hour, and then around 6 to 7 between I come back to home, and I again give a glass of milk to them, and then I start preparing my dinner. I usually have my dinner between 8 to 9 because I feel this is the perfect time, and I don't go to the bed after having dinner. I walk for 15 to 20 minutes so that my food can digest before going to the bed. So this is my routine, and I hope you will do the same because when you describe your routine every day you will become master in it, because we are here to practice step by step, and when you practice step by step no one can stop you to grow. routine is something that we have to learn at the beginning time, because I guess 60% of the English we speak in present simple tense, and that's why we have to describe our daily routine. And when you are master in it, like once you are master in it, then try to describe routine in past, but first you have to describe in present tense. So here I am practicing with you step by step, as if you if you have seen my last videos, so you must know that I described my surrounding in that videos, and today I am sharing my daily routine. And I hope this video you will like, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected to my upcoming videos. And friends, as you know, I speak little bit fast, which I want to reduce, but I would say I cannot reduce you immediately. I have to take some time. It will take some time, if you are beginner, so you can understand. Though I am not beginner yet, but I am not fluent yet as well. So I just want to improve my accuracy, sentence structure, and fluency, rhythm. Lots of things I have to improve. And please share, like, and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video, and it will be a great pleasure to meet you again. And keep learning,